November 10, Friday market. Sell call momentum continued up to 10:25. After 10:25, a fresh first buy call generated, green color candle open. Automatically, calls will be generated in this chart. How you are watching the video right now, you are going to watch this chart and you can get the calls. In this chart, it will automatically analyze the market movement. According to the candle breakout, it will give calls like a signal, like a green signal, red signal, and you will get entry points like where to take the entry and target and stop loss lines. Today, during this Friday market, at 10:25, buy call came at 43,786. Above green color lines are first target, second target line. Below red color line is the stop loss line. The entry point is 43,786. First target is 43,895. That first green color line. So it's more than 100 point first target range. Daily in live market, you will get calls like this. After 20 minutes of volatile, market finally break out the first target range. Entire from the call itself, it was bullish momentum only. So it break out the first target very easily. 44,000 call option, it's a weekly expiry chart. At 89, it's below 100. So at out of the money option, it's so at 89, buy call generated and breakout 130. It's a 40 point momentum. Meanwhile, the first target range breakout. Now it's trading above 140. Like this, you can change the script. You can watch crude oil, Reliance, whatever the script you want, you can watch here. If you want to subscribe for it, if you want this chart, send me a hi message in WhatsApp. We'll provide you the detail. If you feel like it, you can subscribe for it. Thank you.